Guys, this is Harry Gupta here. I was at the launch of the Triumph Street Twin motorcycles. Here is the product video from the launch event. Hope you like it. You'll get a feel of how the launch events happen, how they showcase the product.
I will present the first motorcycle first and showcase it physically over here, and then move on to the second motorcycle. And finally, once we have both the motorcycles on stage, that's where we'll have the price of the motorcycles unveiled. I think this should take close to 20-25 minutes at best, and I would request your patience for that. Thank you so much. So let's just sit, relax, and enjoy the ride. Okay, so moving on, the first product today is the all-new Triumph Street Twin. Let me start by showing you a quick video of the product. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's get started with the original Street Twin, first launched in 2016. The Street Twin is the most contemporary Triumph born well. Stylish, fun, and really easy to ride. These are the key core strengths of Street Twin. And the response to the Street Twin right from day one, because it just felt such a nice sweet spot in the industry. It's a sweet spot in the industry that right from beginning the results were amazing, and there was no doubt it became the fastest or the single biggest selling motorcycle in the modern classic family. Absolutely loved by customers. So this is already doing fabulous for us as a motorcycle. Now our ambition with the new upgrade or the next generation of Street Twin was to build on the strengths of the motorcycle which it already has. So the idea was to add more capability and style to the motorcycle, add more power to the motorcycle, put more high specification, high specs together on the motorcycle, and then also have state of the art on the motorcycle, so that technology on the motorcycle. So all this put together, what it does is it makes it better performing, better looking, better ride, and even more fun. So what I'll do is I'll quickly take you through, so it's a laundry list of upgrades that has happened on the Street Twin, and a huge list is there. But what we have done for today is just to summarize the key elements out of it, and to give you the perspective of what is the quantum of upgrades that have gone into the motorcycle. So we have classified it into what has gone into power, specification, brakes and suspension, comfort, technology, and styling. So under these heads, we just quickly see what has changed in the new Street Twin. Let's start with the performance of the engine upgrade, and I think this is the really big news which is there. The first and most significant update in the motorcycle is that of power. With an engine update, tuned to deliver 10 PS more peak output of 65 PS. Which is huge, 18% improvement on the current generation. I think if you see another aspect to it is while there is 18% improvement, but I think it is also available right in the crucial mid-range. The power is now more available in the crucial mid-range. And I think when somebody who has already driven a Street Twin, current generation, would drive this, I think this is the first thing which would strike to him, that right in the mid-range, he would be able to experience much more power and delivery in this motorcycle. Also, with increasing power, the good part is the torque is not compromised. The torque also continues to be at 80 Nm peak at 3800 RPM. Now, this is also right there in the center, so where you actually, as a rider, where you need the maximum torque. Also, this engine is a higher revving engine. So this has a rev limit of 7,500, which is 500 RPM more than the current generation engine. And besides this, there's a huge host of other engine upgrades which have gone in to make the engine more agile, more nimble, lighter, better performing. And all these are listed over there, which are like magnesium. You've got a new cam cover. It is a lighter clutch. The whole shafts are much more lighter than the motorcycles. All this put together makes the motorcycle much more nimble. And of course, it has the unmistakable sound of a British twin, a rich and full tone that matches its character. I think words can't do justice to this. The moment the bike is here and we crank the bike, I think you would be able to relate more to this, what I'm speaking right now. Okay, moving on to brakes and suspension. I think there's a big story here as well. The new Street Twin gets the Brembo setup in front, which is a huge improvement from the current generation Street Twin. It also gets improved 41 mm KYB cartridge front spoke setup, which has 120 mm travel in front now. The ergonomics of the motorcycle are also changed with increase in seat height by 10 mm. What has happened is it delivers much more riding, a much more comfortable riding posture, and this really gives an overall better riding experience. On the comfort also, the comfort for both the pillion and the rider has been looked at. The first thing is that now it comes with a 10 mm thicker seat, which is much more comfortable, and also the foam composition of the seat has been changed now, which is much more comfortable, and it gives that long distance rideability to the motorcycle. So you can continuously sit on this motorcycle and go for distances. I think compared to the current generation, it would be much more comfortable. Already the Street Twin is renowned for its confidence inspiring ride, the improved ergonomics which are on the bike, and the host of all the features which I just mentioned. I think it all comes together as an improved intuitive handling for the motorcycle and makes this motorcycle much more nimble and accessible. I think major upgrades have also gone into technology on the motorcycle. First here, and the biggest one perhaps, is the new Street Twin has riding modes. It has road and rain as riding modes, which are of course the first in class for the 2019 motorcycles. Now these adjust the throttle knob and traction control settings. Again, a big addition for all the riders in the room. They would understand that this is so important. The 2019 Street Twin now has TPMS capability. Of course, it's a accessory fit option, but the motorcycle is capable for TPMS installation. It has a top assist clutch now. For a city bike, which is to be ridden in a stop-start kind of an environment in traffic, I think this becomes really handy. Because the overall, it reduces the level of effort on the clutch for the rider to a large extent. So it has this as a standard feature. Now, besides these key features, there are a host of other features which come standard on this motorcycle. First up is the ABS with the switchable traction control, ride-by-wire liquid cooling. Now, when you see the motorcycle and it is there, you would notice that it has got beautiful rear LED lights which are so distinct and in the lighting pattern. It has got a USB charging socket, of course, that is required today, but it is very discreetly kept inside, under the seat, so you hardly can notice it. And it has got an engine immobilizer, which is a transponder incorporated within the key of Street Twin. So huge number of things which have changed on the motorcycle. On the style also, I think the story here is more about high level of finish and detailing on the motorcycle. If you see it gets a new cast alloy wheel, which is having machine detailing on it, an 18-inch in front and 17-inch on the back, and it comes fitted with Pirelli Sports Phantom Sports tires. The new Street Twin also gets a contemporary Street Twin logo on the side panels. Now, this is one thing which is going to be immediately differentiated from the current generation of Street Twins. It also gets a new instrument styling with new bezel and a new dial face with a much more premium translucent silver finish with better integrated warning lights on the instrument panel. And further, a lot of small fits and finishes which have gone into the detailing of the motorcycle, which make this motorcycle much more stylish and contemporary. Again, as I said with the voice, I think when the bike comes and whenever you have a chance to actually see this bike from a close distance, you would be able to actually understand this much more. Coming to the colors, this comes with three exciting options. First is the ironstone, of course the jet black, and the beautiful Karosi red. These are the color options which this bike could come, and Street Twin has always been a favorite of riders for personalization, and we understand this well. So it comes with almost 140 plus accessory options for riders to personalize this motorcycle. And it also has two inspiration kits, which are ready-made kits which you can just buy, put it on the motorcycle, and it transforms the whole motorcycle in a way. These kits are urban and cafe custom. Okay, so I think we have tried to summarize and keep it short in terms of detailing all these upgrades. But just to give you a quick summary, I think this video is a good idea to just go through. Okay, so I think I'm sure all of us are excited about these details, but details are still on the slides. It is never as good as actually seeing the motorcycle. So without any further ado, can I request to have the bike on? I think I'll just give 1 minute for you to absorb if you want a quick photograph, because then we move on to the second product. And then finally we would have a lot of time to take photographs